show-stopping mode. First, the meat, begin right here. Ground beef with onion, salt, and turmeric clear. Black pepper too, then knead with care until it's smooth upon laid bare. Roll into balls,
Kalagunjashki small, sparrow size, the finest of them all. And chill them till their shape comply.
then sear them fast in oil.
Just a touch,
Let Maillard work its magic.
browning much.
Set them aside, the crust now spun. The meat work here is finally done. Now slice your onions
Thin and long,
and fry them slow till deep and strong. Caramelize the golden brown delight.
sweet and rich, cook low and right.
Toss in raisins or dates if you please. Let them soften in the
Oil with ease.
Stir it gently, then set it near.
This pièce d'or will finish everything here.
Now to the lentils,
Soak an hour alone,
then boil in salted water.
gently shown.
Just till they soften.
Hold their form,
Not mush, not gone.
just tender, warm.
The rice well soaked,
5 hours or more.
boils with salt in.
Oil as before.
Drain it well.
Set it near.
The layering moment now draws near.
Saffron, salt, and oil first go down.
The base of every golden crown.
Sliced potatoes line the pot's on floor.
The promise of tahdig.
And so much more.
A layer of rice.
A layer of lentil too.
A dusting of cinnamon.
Warm and true.
Repeat again.
Rice, lentil, spice.
Then nestle the meatball
Set them nice.
right in the center.
Tucked with care.
More rice.
More lentil.
Cinnamon in the air.
Cover it tight.
Let it steam and rest.
1 full hour.
Patience does its best.
Then comes the moment we all await.
Flip the pot.
Don't hesitate.
That tahdig bottom
Crisp and bronzed and bright.
is the whole reason we
Cook all night.
caramelized onions,
All around.
sweet with raisins.
Resting on the mound.
Serve it warm with
Yogurt on the side.
stirred with garlic, mint, and prime.
Pinch of salt. A dash of pepper too.
Diced cucumber,
Fold it through.
that cooling bite
That creamy touch.
completes the plate.
It means so much. So whether homey, humble, or refined, at us Polo holds a place in every mind.
And every dish we teach,
We teach with heart and mind. Straight from Beats and Bites Kitchen.